Hi there, here we have the 2015 on a 64 plate VW Golf. This is the 1.4 TSI Bluemotion Tech Match 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So starting off with the front side of the vehicle, as you can see it does have the front parking sensors. Front bumper nice and clean, there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, once again very nice. There is no chips, no dents, so nothing untowards onto the bodywork as you see just there. Alloys nice and clean once again, so there is no marks, and as you can see there is new brakes. Just to confirm, it is one previous owner with full main dealer service history. Rushmore's have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months of material will be done at point of sale. As well as the front parking sensors, it does have the rear sensors as well, so as you can see there. Back bumper offered in great condition as well, so there is no marks, no scratches, nothing untowards. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, we'll give you more options, or even over the phone that can be done. Right, so you've seen the exterior in great condition. Let's have a look at the interior as well. So front passenger door, as you can see, it does have the electric windows. Dash is nice and clean, there is no marks. Steering wheel nice and fresh, as well as the seats. There is no tears on the seats, no marks. So the car's been fully validated by us as well. Back seats, once again, no marks, no tears, so nothing untowards onto the seats there. As you can see, they are offered in great condition. It does have the ISOFIX as well, so a nice safety point for the children. The rear windows are also electric. Right, let's have a look at the boot space. I know being the Golf, it does have a nice boot space, so as you can see, they're very nice and big. Once again, let's have a look at the back seats. So as I mentioned earlier, it does have the electric rear windows. It does have airbags as well, so as you can see there's an airbag. The car is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Okay, right, let's have a look at the front driver's side door. As you can see, it does have the front and rear electric windows. It does have the electric door mirrors as well, which are heated and folding in, as you can see there. Right, okay, so the beeping is because the ignition is currently on, which I've switched off now. As you can see, inside nice and clean. It does also have the electric handbrake. Just to show you here that there is the auto light, so if you just stick it on auto, they will automatically come on during the night and turn off during the daytime. So what we do is let's turn on the ignition and have a look at the screen. So it is a DAB radio, as you can see there, and you do have the option to do the FM and AM as well. Bluetooth audio, so you can connect your phone through Bluetooth and play your music on YouTube, Spotify, you name it, can be done. You can also connect your phone, so find telephone, and it will search for your device, and you can connect to the screen there. And if there is any phone calls that come in through the phone, you can answer them on the steering wheel, and you don't have to touch the phone at all. So let's go back onto setup. So you can set it up as also screen, time and date. So very nice and easy and straightforward to set up. Down here we have the aircon with the climate control. It does also have the park pilot, so there is a button just there, this P here. So you press on that, or if you put the car in reverse, this will automatically come on onto the screen anyways. But however, you can see the front and rear as well. So if there's a car in front, or let's say a wall or whatever it is, wherever you are parking the car, the closer you get to that object that's behind, the beeping will be louder and more consistent. So as you can see, offered in excellent condition. The car is nice and clean inside. Right, so just a recap before we finish off the video. As you saw there, it is in excellent condition inside and out. The car has one previous owner, as I mentioned earlier, with full main dealer service history. Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the vehicle. And you have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So if there is any questions on the vehicle or you need finance arranging, no problem at all. Please don't hesitate to give us a call, as we would be more than happy to assist you in any way we can. Alright, thanks for watching.